I'm going to try the Mediterranean diet for 30 days straight to see if it can actually help me lose weight. If you're anything like me, you've probably tried countless diets that promised quick fixes but left you feeling frustrated and hungry. The Mediterranean diet, though, is different. It's not just about losing weight. It's about embracing a healthy, flavorful lifestyle. Traditional weight loss diets can be super restrictive, making you feel like you're missing out on all the foods you love. They often rely on deprivation, leading to cravings and overeating. And let's be real, who can stick to a diet that feels like a punishment? The Mediterranean diet takes a totally different approach. It's not about cutting out entire food groups or drastically reducing your calorie intake. Instead, it's about making sustainable lifestyle changes that you can maintain in the long term. The Mediterranean diet is built around whole grains, healthy fats, lean proteins, fruits, and veggies. These foods are not only delicious but also super satisfying, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat provide sustained energy and fiber. Healthy fats like avocado, nuts, and olive oil support heart health and keep you feeling full. Lean proteins like fish, chicken, and legumes help build and repair muscle tissue. And let's not forget the abundance of fruits and veggies, which provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. When you combine these foods in a balanced way, you get a diet that's not only effective for weight loss but also amazing for your overall health. The Mediterranean diet has been shown to reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. Plus, it's incredibly flexible, allowing you to enjoy a wide variety of foods and flavors. One of my favorite Mediterranean meals is a simple Greek salad with grilled chicken. It's easy to make and packed with flavor. Just combine juicy tomatoes, crunchy cucumbers, red onions, and creamy feta cheese, and top it with a sprinkle of fresh oregano and a squeeze of lemon juice. Add a side of whole grain pita or a small serving of quinoa, and you've got a satisfying and filling meal that's perfect for lunch or dinner. The best part about the Mediterranean diet is that it's not a quick fix. It's a sustainable lifestyle change that can lead to lasting weight loss and improved health. By focusing on whole, unprocessed foods and healthy habits, you can achieve your weight loss goals and feel amazing in the process. So, if you're looking for a diet that's not only effective but also delicious and sustainable, the Mediterranean diet is definitely worth trying. I'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite Mediterranean-inspired dishes? Share them with me in the comments below. And if you're interested in more healthy eating tips and weight loss strategies, be sure to subscribe to my channel for new content every week.